Hello, this is my Sprint 6 progress update. Starting off with things from the past sprints, I updated my Centipede head to move upwards correctly, and it should go all the way up until the end of the player zone. It also interacts with the mushrooms correctly. I also fixed the leak with it, so now it no longer leaks. And there you have it move down after it hit the top of the player screen. Here is the code for the Centipede head. This is where it was leaking, so I changed it to the state. Everything else is the same. I also have the scorpion implemented. It changes mushrooms into poison. Let's see if I can get a good example. There we go. It changes the mushrooms into poison mushrooms on collision. But there is no interaction right now between the centipede head and the poison mushroom. Here's the code for the scorpion. I implemented it as a singleton, like the factory is the singleton. So I implemented the behaviors of the scorpion, its update, destroy, its initialize, and those are handled by the scorpion factory, which is a singleton, like I said, has a scorpion pool, an object pool pretty much. Here are the methods, code for the private constructors, whatnot. Here is the scorpion object pool and its methods that are called by the factory. I have also refactored the flea and bullet to have the singleton factories, but right now I'm getting an error when an enemy is on screen and the game closes. Here's the read access violation, so I need to clear that up. So the flea and the scorpion factories do not clean up and terminate correctly. Here's the flea factory code. The flea behaves the same, it's just that the refactor changes how all the information is handled. Here's the flea object pool, has a stack of the recycled items, and then the bullet and its factories. The bullet behaves the same. Here's the factory C++ file and the header. Object pool. Then I also have implemented the scorpion spawner, which gives the information for a wave to the scorpion factory itself. And then here's the getters and setters, and this is the observation pattern and its methods implemented. And let's see. When the wave management, oh, here we go. Okay, so on the scorpion spawner, this right now I don't have the waves created with the text file. so far, but I can show an example of the scorpion moving. I'll increase its speed, and that information is passed on to uh, the factory. Same for the is active. If I change that to false, no scorpion will spawn, just like that. And then I haven't implemented the spawning with the timer yet, but that information can also be changed. And then I started a little bit with the wave manager and the Centipede wave reader, which takes a text file and reads it. But so far I don't have let's see, the text file should be in here for an example of what it would look like and what I have right now. Yeah, that's what I have so far for this week.